Hello children, I am S.K. Misra, teacher of Maths in DAVCCL Grade E. Today I am going to start the chapter fractional numbers. First of all, we know that fraction is a part of the whole. Just like 1 by 2 is a fraction, where 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. Numerator and denominators both are called terms of the fraction. Numerator and denominator both are called terms of the fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. It is a part of a whole. Now, what is equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions means those fractions which denote the same part of a whole. Just like 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 50 by 100. Here we see that 1 by 2 denotes here half of the whole. 2 by 4, two things if divided into 4 equal parts, each part equal to half of the whole. 4 by 8 means also be the half of the whole, and 50 by 100 also be half of the whole. So equivalent fractions means those fractions which denote the same part of the whole. And now improper fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is more than denominator, just like 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is a improper fraction because here numerator is more than denominator, and we can convert improper fraction into mixed number also. Mixed number means here if we want to convert 9 by 4 into mixed number, so it means 4 2 8, 2 1 by 4. It means 2 plus 1 by 4. It means mixed number is a sum of whole and a proper fraction. First of all, we have to know proper fraction. Proper fraction means those fractions whose denominator is more than numerator. Just like 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, all are here in proper fraction, because here denominators of each fraction is greater than the numerator. Just like 2 is more than 1, 5 is more than 2, 7 is more than 3. So all are here called proper fraction. So mixed number means the combination of a whole and a proper fraction called mixed number. Now, like fractions. Those fractions are called like fractions whose denominators are same. Just like 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, all are here like fractions. Unit fractions. Those fractions whose numerator equal to 1, just like 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, all are here unit fraction because all fractions have numerator as 1. Now, unlike fractions, those fractions whose denominators are different, just like 2 by 5, 3 by 10, 8 by 15. Here we see that all fractions have different denominators, just like here 5, here 10, here and 50. Denominators are different, called unlike fractions. Next, mixed number we have already learned. Now write next 3 equivalent fractions: 1 by 7, 2 by 14, 3 by 21. 3 fractions are given, and we have to write 3 more equivalent fractions. So it will be when we multiply 1 and 7 by 4, both by common number 4, so 4 by 28, 1 equivalent fractions. Second, 5 by 35, both are multiplied by 5, 1 by 7, 5 into both numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 5, then it will be 5 by 32, 5 by 32. Second, 6 by 42, all are here equivalent fractions. Equivalent because the simplest form of 6 by 42, 5 by 35, 4 by 28, 3 by 21, 2 by 14 is 1 by 7. So all are equivalent fractions. Just like convert 23 by 8 into mixed number. So we divide 23 by 8. 23 by 8. 8 to the 16. 7. So it means 2 7 by 8. For converting, because 23 by 8 is a improper fraction and its mixed number is 2 integral 7 by 8. We recite it 2 integral 7 by 8. Fraction in the lowest term. We have already here learned, just like 2 by 40. If we want to convert it into equivalent, into lowest term, the lowest term means a fraction whose numerator and denominator has only factor as 1. Just like here 2 by 14, both have factors here 2. So we divide numerator and denominator both by 2. We will find 1 by 7. Here 1 by 7 is called simplest form of 2 by 40. Just like if we want to convert 10 by 40 as lowest term, to divide it numerator and denominator by 10, because 10 is common divisor of 10 and 40, so it is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is called lowest fraction of terms of 10 by 40. Now comparing the fraction of 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, which one is more? So first of all, we will convert both fractions into like fractions. Means having same denominator. For converting into like fractions, we will take here LCM of 5 and 4. And another method is when comparing only two fractions, so we multiply first fraction by the denominator of second fraction, and second fraction multiply second fraction by the both numerator and denominator by the denominator of first fraction. So 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So 3 by 5 means here 3 into 4 by 5 into 4, it is 12 by 20, and 3 by 4 means both multiplied by 5, it means 15 by 20. And we know that in like fractions, whose numerator is more, fraction will be more. So here obviously 15 by 20 is more than 12 by 20. It means therefore 3 by 4, because 15 by 20 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. The 3 by 4 more than 3 by 5. In case of 11 by 18 and 1 by 6, 11 by 18 and to 11 by 18 multiplied by 1, both sides 11 by 18, and 1 by 6 multiplied numerator and denominator by common number, to 3 by 18. Because if we multiply numerator and denominator by the same common number, or divide numerator and denominator by the same common number, the value does not change, or fraction is called equivalent fraction. So here 11 by 18 and 3 by 18, here 11 by 18 is more than 3 by 18, it means 11 by 18 is more than 1 by 6. Ascending order and descending order. Here we have fraction 2 by 9, 5 by 12, 7 by 4 and 1 by 6. अब हमको इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है, तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे कि एलसीएम जो भी डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं इसके एलसीएम लेना है. तो एलसीएम ऑफ 9, 12, 4 एंड 6 क्या हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ हमको निकाल देना होगा एलसीएम. तो 9, 12, 4, 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 4 3 2 जा 6, फिर बाय 2 3, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 1, फिर 2 से 3 1 1 1. तो एलसीएम क्या आ गया मेरा 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, 3 2 जा 6, 2 जा 12, 3 जा 36. तो 2 by 9. अब इसके डिनोमिनेटर को 36 करना है तो ऑलरेडी हमको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो 8 by 36. 5 by 12, तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई 12 3 जा 36, तो न्यूमरेटर को भी करना होगा 15 by 36. 7 by 4 मल्टीप्लाइड 4 को 9 जा 36, तो मल्टीप्लाइड बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 9, 63 by 36. एंड देन 1/6 तो इज इक्वल टू 1/6, 6 जा 36, सो नोमिनेटर ऑल्सो भी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 होगा, तो 6/36। अब यहाँ हम लोग देख सकते हैं 8/36, 15/36, 63/36, 6/36। सबसे छोटा फ्रैक्शन जो है 6/36 है, तो 6/36 असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स छोटा से बड़ा लिखना। फिर उसके बाद आ जाएगा मेरा 8/36 एंड देन 15/36 एंड देन 63/36। इट मीन्स therefore 1/6 less than 2/9 less than 5/12 less than 7/4। यही असेंडिंग ऑर्डर हो गया। अब जैसे कि 1/2 11/6, तो 1/2 तो इसको मिक्स नंबर में करेंगे, 2 1 जा 2, 1 3/2 तो 3/2, 11/6, 5 3 जा 15 to 17/5 और ये हो जाए 7/3। अब इसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स बड़ा से छोटा, असेंडिंग मीन्स छोटा से बड़ा और डिसेंडिंग मीन्स बड़ा से छोटा। तो सबसे पहले इसका हमको इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन लेना है हैविंग द सेम डिनोमिनेटर, यानी लाइक फ्रैक्शंस लेना है। तो हम लोग एलसीएम ऑफ 2 6 5 3 लेते हैं, तो 2 1 जा 2 3 जा 5 3 1 1 5 1, एलसीएम इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 30। तो 3/2 को डिनोमिनेटर को 30 करना है, तो 2 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो नोमिनेटर को भी करना होगा, तो 45/30 हो गया। 11/6 है, 11/6 को 5 से करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 55/30। 17/5 तो 17/5 6 से करना होगा तो 112/30 हो जाएगा। और 7/3 है तो इसको भी 3 को 10 से करेंगे 30 होगा 70/30। अब इसमें देखना है कि सबसे बड़ा कौन है, तो हम देख रहे हैं कि 112/30, उससे छोटा 70/30, उससे छोटा 55/30 एंड लास्ट में ये ऐसे डिसेंडिंग उलट जाता है, तो हम लोग लिखेंगे 112/30 ग्रेटर देन 70/30 ग्रेटर देन 55/30 ग्रेटर देन 45/30। फिर इसका मतलब अब ये किस फ्रैक्शन का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है, 17/5 और 17/5 ग्रेटर देन 70/30 किसका है, 7/3 ग्रेटर देन 55/30 किसका है, 11/6 का इक्विवेलेंट एंड देन लास्ट 3/2। तो ये मेरा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर हो गया। अब है एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ ए फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस। अब इसे एडिशन करना है, इसको ऐड करना है। हम कैसे करेंगे, सबसे पहले डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम लेंगे, 4 5 10 का एलसीएम 20 हो जाएगा, आप देख लेना। अब 20 होगा तो हम यहाँ 20 लिख देते हैं। अब 4 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 5 जा 20, 5 इंटू 1 5, 4 जा 20, 4 2 जा 8, 10 2 जा 20, 7 2 जा 14। हम लोग क्लास 4 में भी थोड़ा सा एडिशन किए थे, 8 5 13 और प्लस 14 27/20 हो गया। दूसरा तरीका था कि आप इसके भी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस लेते इसके, और जिसका कि डिनोमिनेटर 20 होता और नोमिनेटर को ऐड कर देते, दूसरा भी तरीका है। इसी तरह इसका भी प्रैक्टिस कर लेना है। ये 7/1 आएगा, यहाँ हमारा एलसीएम 1 10 3 का 30 होगा, तो 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे 30, 37 जा 210, 10 3 जा 33, 9 जा 27, 3 10 जा 30, 10 2 जा 20। अब ऐड करेंगे 257/30 हो जाएगा। हम चाहेंगे तो इसको मिक्स नंबर में कर सकते हैं। अब सब्ट्रैक्ट देखो, सब्ट्रैक्ट में क्या करेंगे, पहले वही काम करना है, एलसीएम लेना है 3 और 12 का, तो 12 ही आएगा। 12 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे 1 इंटू 11, 3 से करेंगे 3 4 जा 12, 4 2 जा 8, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 3/12। उसी तरह इसको भी बना सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। चिल्ड्रेन, थैंक यू चिल्ड्रेन।